Redeeming a Steam gift card is a quick and simple process, and in this video I'll show you the fastest way to do it inside the Steam desktop app. If you've just purchased a Steam wallet card, received one as a gift, or got a code from a store, you can add the balance to your account in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and app guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This is important because once the balance is redeemed, it will go directly onto that Steam account. If you have more than one account, double check before continuing. Now look at the very top of the Steam window. You'll see the menu bar, and the fastest way to redeem your code is through the Games tab. Click Games and you'll notice two main options that people often mix up. The first option is Activate a product on Steam. This is used for game keys, like a code from a bundle, a physical game box, or a giveaway. Choosing this option adds a specific game to your Steam library. The second option is Redeem a Steam wallet code. This is the one you want for a Steam gift card. If your code is from a store, a physical gift card, or any balance card meant to add money to your wallet, select this option. So go ahead and click Redeem a Steam wallet code. Steam will open a new page or window where you can enter your code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears on the card or in the email. It's best to enter it slowly so you don't mix up letters and numbers. Steam codes are usually case sensitive in appearance, and even one wrong character can stop the redemption from working. After entering the code, review it one more time to make sure there are no spaces before or after it. Then continue to the next step and confirm the redemption. Steam will process the code, and if it's valid, the balance will be added directly to your wallet. Once the redemption is complete, you should see your updated Steam wallet balance right away. That money can then be used to buy games, downloadable content, in-game items, or anything else available on Steam that supports wallet payments. If you clicked the wrong option by mistake, don't worry, just remember the difference. Activate a product on Steam is for game keys, while Redeem a Steam wallet code is for gift cards and wallet balance. That one distinction saves a lot of confusion. If you ever run into a problem, make sure the code hasn't already been used, check that you entered it correctly, and confirm that the card is meant for your region if applicable. Most issues happen because of a typing error or using the wrong kind of code in the wrong place. And that's it. You've now learned how to redeem a Steam gift card using the fastest method through the Games menu. If this video helped you out, please like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.